Good morning and happy Tuesday. It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries back with another virtual alphabet story time. So this week we are doing the letter K. Miss Amelia is going to read Tomorrow I'll Be Kind. Kind starts with a K. And I am going to read Crocodiles Need Kisses Too. And kisses starts with a K. And then we are going to sing head, shoulders, knees, and toes. And knees is one of those tricky K words. Sounds like it starts with an N, but it actually starts with a K. Crocodiles need kisses too. Despite their lumpy, bumpy hide, toothy mouth stretched open wide, just like me and just like you, crocodiles need kisses too. Regardless of their prickly spines, sharpened quills raised up in lines, just like me and just like you, porcupines need cuddles too. Although they all have shaking tails, pointy fangs, and slippery scales, just like me and just like you, rattlesnakes need squeezes too. Even with their wrinkly peaks, taloned feet, and hook-like beaks, just like me and just like you, vultures need some nuzzles too. Forget their ragged, jagged grins, turning, circling fins. Just like me and just like you, great white sharks need smooches too. Ignore their hulky, bulky chest, beating, banging on their breast. Just like me and just like you, gorillas need a few hugs too. Never mind their pouncing paws, raging roars, and scratching claws. Just like me and just like you, tigers need some snuggles too. Beyond their scary, hairy legs, 8 black eyes and sacks of eggs. Just like me and just like you, tarantulas need tickles too. Regardless of your smashing tail, howling cry, and yowling wail, what's true for them is true for you. Children need affection too. Despite our looks and what we do, we all need love, and I love you.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yay!
Tomorrow I'll Be Kind by Jessica Hishy. Tomorrow I'll be helpful when I see someone in need. I won't stand by or hesitate. I'll get up and take the lead. Tomorrow I'll be patient. Your turn. I'll wait for you. And when I'm stuck, I won't give up. I'll take time to see it through. Tomorrow I'll be gentle to creatures big and small. Thinking of what others need, I'll show tenderness to all. Tomorrow I'll be honest. To myself, I will be true. And prove that you can trust in me through all I say and do. Tomorrow I'll be generous and show you how I care. We all have ways of giving back and gifts that we can share. Tomorrow, I'll be grateful for what you've given me. Appreciating all I have, your love especially. Tomorrow, I'll be kind, my heart my guiding light. The smallest spark of kindness shines through the darkest night. Tomorrow, I'll be all the things I strive to be each day. Helpful, patient, gentle, honest, generous, grateful, and kind. And even when it's difficult, I'll work to find a way. But tonight, I'm very sleepy, so now it's time to rest. I'll dream of all the good that comes when we all just try our best. The end.